Hi, we're here today at Organic Blooms, who grow the basils for our Basil Plug Plant collection, and I'm going to show you how to make a Purple Basil Mojito. You need the juice of 1 lime, 1 teaspoon of caster sugar, and a small handful of purple basil leaves. Then you need a wooden spoon, and we're just going to muddle everything together, bruising the leaves to release the flavours. You can see it turns it a lovely pale purple. Now that is thoroughly muddled, I'm going to add a handful of ice and just stir to mix. Then a glug of spiced rum, top up with soda water, quick stir, and we're done. Okay, cheers. Well, that's quite nice.